Good morning students. Today we are going to take a new topic from the paper 4, unit 3, that is disaster management and risk assessment. Paper 4, that is industrial hygiene and chemical safety. So small topic, that is volcano is present. So it is one of the natural disaster. So what is a volcano? Volcano, you have heard of it, the term volcano. So volcano is an opening or rupture in the planet's surface, or you can say that earth crust, which allow hot magma, ash and the gases to escape from below the surface of the earth. So you can say that volcano refers to the eruption of hot molten lava from below the surface of the earth. मतलब वल्कनो में जो लावा होता है वो खूब हॉट होता है और ये हॉट मोल्टन लावा जो है सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ अर्थ के नीचे से ऊपर कोई भी एक छोटे से ओपनिंग से वो बाहर आता है. And volcano, what is volcano? Volcano is the word which is derived from the name vulcan. ये जो शब्द है volcano वो एक vulcan शब्द से आया है. vulcan, volcano. It is one of the island. volcano जो है एक प्रकार का वो island है. And where this island is present? This island is present in the Sicily. And which in turns was named after the Vulcan. ये जो volcano island है it was named after the Vulcan. और ये Vulcan कौन था? तो Vulcan was the Roman god of the fire. मतलब Roman god of fire को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Vulcan. और उसके ऊपर तो island का नाम था और वहाँ पे से ये शब्द आया, that is volcano. So volcano is nothing but an opening और rupture. हम एक प्रकार का rupture बोल सकते हैं on the surface of the earth. ठीक है, अर्थ क्रस्ट पे एक छोटे से रप्चर थ्रू हॉट मोल्टन लावा जो होता है फ्रॉम बिलो द सरफेस कम्स आउट. नेक्स्ट कमिंग अप टू द वर्ड वुल्केनो इज अ वेंट. एक ऐसा प्रकार का वेंट है इन द अर्थ क्रस्ट थ्रू विच लावा, स्टीम, ashes etc are spelled out. So you can say that it is one of the opening through which all this content which is present deep inside the crust is given out, that is lava, steam, ash etc. Next coming up to the definition. So the narrow opening of the volcano is called the vent. एक जो छोटा सा narrow opening आप देख सकते हैं that is said to be the vent. So this is said to be the vent. So this is nothing but a narrow opening. And the upper part of the vent, ये जो cup shape में upper part है, this is the upper part, that is almost cup shape, that is said to be, or depression, that is said to be the crater. So this is the crater core. So it is one of the type of opening or depression which is present on the upper part of the vent. Next coming up to the rock material ejected during the volcanic activity is deposited on the surface of the earth. जो भी volcanic eruption के बाद जितना भी बाहर में content आएगा वो सब क्या होता है? They are deposited on the surface of the earth and it is called the lava. इसे क्या कहा जाता है? Lava. So the rocky material which is ejected during the volcanic eruption, they used to deposit on the surface of the earth and that is said to be the lava. Now how are these volcanoes are formed? You must have a certain questions like how these volcanoes are formed. So these volcanoes are forming due to the, you can say that due to the tectonic plates, movement of the tectonic plates. So you can say that the volcanoes are generally found where tectonic plates are diverging. If the tectonic plates are diverging, means moving away from one another, then they are said to be diverging. So consider if there is two tectonic plates and these tectonic plates are moving away from one another, then this type of volcanic eruption can be seen. Next, or either it is converging. So when the tectonic plates, either they are diverging or converging, then these volcanic eruptions are formed. So these volcanoes are also formed when temperature and pressure rises and the rock melt and move through the surface and crust and releases the gases, magmas, volcanic eruption occurs. So two things you have to keep in, always remember that how these volcanic eruptions are formed. They are formed either by the movement of the tectonic plates or either by the pressure released through the crust. Next coming, same thing, that is how volcanoes are formed. Magma can rise when pieces of the earth crust called the tectonic plates slowly moves away from each other and sometimes moves towards each other. And a final way that magma rises it over hot spot. जहाँ पे मैग्मा राइज होता है उसे हॉट स्पॉट कहते हैं. Why it is said to be hot spot? Because the hot spots are exactly what they sounds like. Hot मतलब क्या होता है? गर्म. And spot मतलब area. So the area which is very hot, that is inside that is said to be the hot spot. So here you can see the magma is rising. Here also you can see the magma is rising. Here you can see it is taking place under the ocean. Yeah, under the ocean. Here and here also this is taking place on the surface of the land or mountain area. So in this way the volcano takes place. So now after the volcano has taken place, or it is one of the, it is a natural hazard or disaster. So what all things are given out when the volcano takes place? So what happens when a volcano erupts? So what all things which are given out through this volcanic eruption? First one is the lava flows. So here lava flows are thread, but they are slow enough that the people cannot get out of the way. लावा का जो थ्रेट होता है, एक डर होता है, वो नॉर्मली इसमें टेक्स प्लेस करता है वोल्केनिक इरप्शन में, लेकिन उनका जो फ्लो होता है खूब स्लो होता है. इसके कारण वो बहुत ज़्यादा लार्ज स्केल पर हानि नहीं पहुंचाता है. एंड द इकोनॉमिक लॉस फ्रॉम द लावा फ्लो इंक्लूड्स, और अगर लॉस हुआ या डैमेज हुआ तो इट मे इंक्लूड्स बर्निंग ऑफ बिल्डिंग्स. If the lava flows takes place, then it burns the buildings, ruin the crops को नष्ट किया कर देता है. And third, because the lava flows normally don't cover very large area, क्योंकि उनका मूवमेंट खूब स्लो होता है, the area where they used to flow, they used to damage it. जो एरिया से वो गुजरते हैं वो सारे एरिया को पूरी तरह से वो डैमेज कर देते हैं. So lava it normally flows through the molten rocks, और ये जो लावा होता है this is given out from the volcanic eruption, and these are nothing but the streams of molten rocks. एक molten rocks के stream होता है which is very hot. Next, what is also given out is pyroclastic flow. Pyroclastic means these are very high speed avalanches. हम जैसे बोल सकते हैं आग के गोले होते हैं, और you can say that they are hot ash होते हैं, rocks के fragments होते हैं, and gases which moves down the sides of the volcano के side से. So if here from here, so it moves down from the side of the volcano की साइड से वो मूव करता है. So what are pyroclastic flows? These are high speed avalanches. Always remember they are high speed avalanches. या हम उसे आग का गोला बोल सकते हैं. रॉक के फ्रेगमेंट्स भी उसमें होते हैं. and few gases are also present like NOx, SOx and very poisonous gases. Steams most of the amount, and these steams are very hot. And they used to move down the sides of the volcanoes, and these flow occur when the vent area or ash column collapses. ये जो फ्लो कब अकर करता है? जबकि वेंट एरिया जो है अपना वो पूरी तरफ से कोलैप्स हो जाता है. सो दिस एरिया व्हेन इट इज कोलैप्सेस, दिस थिंग takes place. One more thing is that volcanic gases are also liberated from the volcanic eruptions. So what are the volcanic gases? The all magma contains dissolved gases. जितना भी magma है उन सब में dissolved gases present रहते हैं. And these gases are mainly steam. और gases जो होते हैं normally steam के रूप में present रहते हैं. Even carbon dioxide is also present, and compounds of sulfur and chlorine is present. So along with the lava or pyroclastic flow, we can also see the presence of volcanic gases. So it is one of the natural hazards, because these gases, when they are liberated, they affects the globally atmosphere of the earth. Next, coming up to the effects, both people, or you can say local and the global, on global scale, both peoples are affected. You can say that human lives are, if the settlement is present just near the volcanic eruption site or besides this site, these peoples, local peoples are morely readily affected. Next is they affect globally. They affect globally weather pattern. You know that large amount of the gases are liberated from this vent, and these gases are very dangerous because they may increase the amount of NOx or SOx in the atmosphere. So they affect globally the weather pattern को वो affect करते हैं. We know that there is a loss of human lives and property as usual in most of the hazards. Next, what measures we have to take is that the main thing in the volcanic eruption is that we don't know whether the given site is active or dormant type. So if we find out, or if you find out the record of this thing, that is if they are active or dormant type, so if they are active, it takes place in how many years, then we can take out certain precautions. And the main thing in the volcanic eruption that it cannot be predicted exactly the टाइमिंग हम बता नहीं सकते हैं कब वॉल्केनिक इरप्ट होने वाला है एंड कितने इंटेंसिटी पे वो इरप्ट होने वाला है in the future. So you can see this is the effect of the volcanic eruption. So you can see it has covered a very large area, and these are nothing but the lava, molten lava, which is flowing from the vent or the site to the affected area. So these are the affected area of the volcano. So it used to destroy the whole land where they used to pass. Effects of volcanic eruption. Normally the effects can be divided into two types, maybe primary effect or the secondary effect. What are primary effects? These are the immediate and they come from the eruption itself. Immediate effects होता है जैसे ही volcanic eruption takes place किया है उसके बाद जहाँ जहाँ से वो लावा गुजरता है, that is said to be the immediate effect. Next is the secondary effect results from the primary effect. जब ये primary लावा जहाँ जहाँ से गुजरता है उसके बाद वो सेटल होता है, सेटल होने के बाद वो सेकेंडरी इफेक्ट हमें देखने को मिल सकता है. सो हियर यू कैन फाइंड आउट द सर्टेन इफेक्ट्स ऑफ द वोल्केनिक इरप्शन. So what are the primary effects? The other secondary effects, primary effects, these are the effects which can be seen immediately. Now coming up to the secondary effects. So सेकेंडरी इफेक्ट हमें पता है वो लावा सेटल होने के बाद का फेज है, बट दिस सेकेंडरी इफेक्ट ऑल्सो इंक्लूड फूड एंड वाटर सप्लाई इंटरप्शंस। तो जहाँ जहाँ से लावा पास होता है या फिर पायरोक्लास्टिक फ्लो होता है, वहाँ वहाँ सब जगह डिस्ट्रक्शन होता है, और इसके कारण क्या होता है, फूड वाटर सप्लाई इज ऑलमोस्ट इंटरप्टेड। होमलेसनेस, बहुत सारे लोग को इवैक्यूएट करना पड़ता है। नेक्स्ट इज बिजनेस फोर्स टू क्लोज, बिजनेसेस फोर्स टू क्लोज, वहाँ पे हर प्रकार की बिजनेस को क्लोज किया जाता है बिकॉज इट इज ऑफ नो यूज, द लैंड इज नाउ कन्वर्टेड टू बैरन लैंड। कॉस्ट ऑफ इंश्योरेंस क्लेम, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट होती है, लॉन्ग टर्म इशू विद द टूरिज्म एंड इंडस्ट्री, मतलब लार्ज स्केल पर डिस्ट्रक्शन टेक्स प्लेस करता है। Next, secondary effect of this volcanic eruption. So lahars, these are the mixture of water. लहर जो होता है, this is nothing but the लहर. These are the mixture of water, rocks, ash, sand and mud that originates from the slope. Slope से वो originate होता है। जब ये जो भी कंटेंट है वो वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन या विंड से रिलीज होने के बाद ठंडा होता है, तब ये सब कंटेंट उसमें प्रेजेंट होता है, दैट इज वाटर, रॉक, एश, सैंड एंड मड, एंड दैट ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम द स्लोप्स ऑफ द वॉल्केनो, एंड लहर ऑफन हैपन बिकॉज ऑफ हेवी रेनफॉल इरोडिंग द वॉल्केनिक डिपोजिट। जहाँ कहीं पे भी वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन साइट है वहाँ पे हेवी रेनफॉल होने के बाद क्या होता है, ये सारे जो मटेरियल है वो ठंडा होते हैं। ठंडे होने के बाद क्या होता है, पानी के बहाव के साथ जहाँ जहाँ जाता है दे यूज टू कैरी ऑल दिस थिंग, दैट इज वाटर, रॉक्स, एश, सैंड, मड एक्सेट्रा। सो दिस इज सेड टू बी दी लहर्स. These are the secondary effects. Now coming up to the mitigation. What are mitigation measures? So the first mitigation measure is to the territorial planning strategies. मतलब वो साइट में पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा, हम वॉल्केनिक साइट एक्टिव है कि डोरमेंट है वो पहले फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. सो वी हैव टू कीप इन रिकॉर्ड ऑफ एक्टिव और डोरमेंट टाइप ऑफ द volcanic eruption related site. Next we have to plan और we have to plan the territorial strategies, उसमें कुछ तो फाइंड आउट करना या फिर प्लानिंग करना पड़ेगा फॉर वॉल्केनिक रिस्क प्रोन्ड एरिया. तो जहाँ कहीं पे भी वॉल्केनिक eruption आता है उस एरिया को हम बोलते हैं वॉल्केनिक प्रोन्ड एरिया, एंड where the regulatory issues should be faced with the local planning and development. वहाँ का local planning और development जो भी होगा वो volcanic site या prone area consider करने के बाद ही development किया जाता है. Next, coming up to the conclusion. So volcanoes are caused when molten rocks flow out into the earth surface. जब molten rocks अर्थ सरफेस से बाहर आता है थ्रू सर्टेन फिशर या छोटे मोटे क्रैक्स, एंड दैट आर कॉज ड्यू टू द मूवमेंट ऑफ प्लेट्स. और ये जो क्रैक्स फॉर्मेशन कब होता है, बाय मीन्स ऑफ द मूवमेंट ऑफ प्लेट्स. सो थ्रू वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन द थ्रेट्स, इट इज अ थ्रेट टू द ह्यूमन लाइफ. तो ये एक वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन जो है एक थ्रेट है ह्यूमन लाइफ के लिए. द सेटलमेंट विच इज नियर बाय द volcanic eruption prone area, and the areas where the eruption has taken place are useful too. They have helped create beautiful Hawaii Islands. So certain sites they are said to be tourist spot because these sites are normally facing the volcanic eruption. These sites are normally known for the volcanic eruption sites, and these areas are rich in minerals. ये जो area होता है बहुत ही rich in minerals है. This is the positive aspects of the volcanic eruption. बाकी जितना भी रेस्ट हमने अभी तक पढ़ा है दे आर दी नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन. सो एवरीथिंग हैज वन और टू पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट इन विच one is they are rich in the minerals. Next is volcanic eruption causes heavy damage to the human life and property. So with this we have completed the volcanic eruption. In the last lecture we have covered, that is earthquake. So tomorrow we are going to take one more natural hazards, maybe flood. So see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.